Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the Borne Off-Road channel. And today we're going to be discussing winch hooks. When you're out off-roading, having the proper recovery gear is essential for safety and making sure your adventure is worry-free. That's why we've made it our mission to provide premium, high-quality recovery gear such as our winch and the hook that comes with it. And check this out. We are now offering the hook separate from the winch. So if you're looking for a replacement hook because yours is either damaged or just not doing the job anymore, this will be the perfect upgrade. Now, let's dive into some features of the Borne Off-Road hook and why this is an essential piece of gear for your off-roading recovery needs. All right, so first things first, this hook is beefy. Our hooks are made with forged alloy steel, which is a super durable and reliable material. Hooks made with cheaper materials are bound to break, and they may raise some safety concerns. That's why we wanted to construct a hook with strong and durable materials to ensure our users' safety and to allow for peace of mind while hitting the trails. The hook also comes with a powder-coated finish to enhance the lifespan and protect it from rust and corrosion. We also incorporated rubber padding to increase grip and prevent damage to the fairlead. The rubber also plays a huge role into the longevity of the winch by preventing metal-to-metal contact with the fairlead. Our hooks are also snag-free with a 1.5-inch opening, which allows for a quick and easy attachment process to an anchor point such as our tree saver or tow hook. You won't have to worry about your winch rope getting caught on the clip or flying out when winching. Included with our hook is a hand tether that allows you to guide the hook safely and securely during operation. It also prevents your fingers from getting caught in between the fairlead when winching. And lastly, all of our hooks are backed by our lifetime warranty. All right guys, that just about wraps it up for our hook. If you're looking to purchase the hook separately from our winch, we now offer it on our website, borne.com. We also offer an array of other recovery and lighting gear for all your off-road adventures. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already to stay up to date with all of our future videos, and we'll see you on the trails.